Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Holy crap, just look at it. Yeah, that's right. That is a real flippin' GTR. A real one, guys. We've been on fire lately on the channel. We've had a 600 something horsepower G37, a 600 some horsepower Q50. Let's drop another bomb on the channel, and here is a R33 GTR V-Spec. Man, I love that front end. I love that front end. These inserts for factory, right? Those are the Nismo inserts on the bumper. V-Spec? Oh, that was a V-Spec. Here's Brent, by the way.
What's up?
Now, this is not the first time you guys seen Brent. You guys remember him. He was on the channel before, but he had a different street weapon. It was an R33 in the same. It was a GTST, and that was fast. The engine was modded and stuff like that, right? You had performance mods on that?
Yeah, it was built about 400 horsepower.
400 horsepower. That's nice. You remember, I'll throw a clip in there. I may throw a clip. I don't know. But we took a ride in that thing, and that thing pulled hard. I'm hoping this thing, with the four-wheel drives, just feels just so much better. What clutch and setup did you have on that black one?
It was all ACT.
All ACT? Yeah, that was a nice car. He gets to play with this thing whenever he wants. Put in the comments how much you love this thing. I'm just looking at it, dude. I'm just fanboying. Just fanboying like crazy. I'm a huge Nissan nerd. You have my Datsuns and stuff like that. I'm an old school Nissan nerd, but these are still old school, right? Come on, it's beautiful. Okay, I gotta stop because I'll keep rambling on. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Let's see what's going on with this car, what it has, what's Brent done to it, and then let's go hop in it for a ride. Brent, how you doing, man?
I'm doing great.
What car is that?
It's a 95 R33 V-Spec GTR.
Man, that's beautiful, dude. What appearance mods have you done to it?
Wheel and tire setup is Volk T37s. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 15, custom spec, and it has a Series 3 front spoiler on it.
Come on, there's some more nicer stuff on that car. What's that big carbon fiber wing, the wang in the back?
Well, it's got the Chibi Devil carbon fiber wing that's been clear coated and ceramic coated.
And those are real Nismo end caps on the wing?
Everything's Nismo.
Man, even those little door handles, that's not from China?
No. Those are, I was actually one of the first people to buy those.
Nice. What is that front bumper? Is that all that factory, the lip and everything?
Yeah, stock factory V-Spec front end. The only thing I added was a Series 3 front spoiler.
Okay. What suspension mods have you done to it?
It's running Nismo urethane bushings and Blitz ZZR coilovers.
Oh, nice. What have you done in terms of performance?
In performance, engine mods are all stock. The only thing I've changed is appearance stuff, such as HKS intake system, and then it has Cerakoted RB26 valve covers with new baffling.
Have you done anything with the interior?
Oh yeah, interior has it has the factory super rare Kenwood audio system, along with I've added the Nismo Recaro seats from the 370Z. They're all custom built specifically for the R33.
And finally, man, what do you love about this car?
Everything. The car is perfect, needs nothing. It's a joy to drive. I love the car. I take it out every chance I can.
What do you say? It's a GTR.
It's a GTR.
It's a GTR. Go ahead and start. Nice. Nice. That sounds good, guys. So we in the car now. Let's go hit the road and see what this thing sounds like. And if you do, that's kind of bad. A big old red thing. How are you gonna run into a big old red thing?
You want me to hit it coming out?
Let it warm up. No, yeah, it's up to you. We try to get some cruising around some, and then some. We'll hit some attack here and there. Yeah, you see a little spike when the blow off valve goes. '90s icon, guys. It's comfortable. Oh, nice. Some windy roads. That corner was nice. That corner was real nice.
That was only half throttle.
Right.
Yeah, we'll mod back around. So when we did the respray on the engine bay, we welded in reinforcement panels.
Okay.
So it's got billet plates and strut towers now.
Oh, nice.
This might be fun. It's only 3,000 RPM.
That's crazy. That's super crazy.
It's back to the same road.
That's a nice small loop right there.
Yeah.
Dude, you went in tight as fuck.
Tires are up.
Yes, no squeal, nothing.
I'll show you some squeal.
insane.
Yeah. Love it.
Golly, look at everybody pulling out in front of you. All these damn sucker moms just jumping out in front of you. Man.
Right here.
I like the corner stuff. That was awesome. My last symbol here. Dude, they're so nice.
I'm gonna hit this turn kind of hard. I'm not gonna talk. How'd you like that?
You got me holding onto the ocean handle like a mug.
Didn't even kick the brakes.
Dude, zero fucking squeal.
No analog brakes kicked in.
Nothing.
Smooth as butter.
I know that was a fucking moment though. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that was crazy, dude. Like, there were so many times where the ascent was supposed to come out, but it just held its composure.
Grabs the ground, man. GTR.
Wow. That's amazing.
We're gonna put the brakes off.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I smell them.
Uh-huh. Woo!
Thank you, Brembo.
Jeez. I was like thinking, isn't this corner tight? I was like, yeah, even tighter now. Oh, Jesus.
That's the radar thinking we were in an impact.
Oh, really? It was so hard?
Yeah.
The G's?
Yeah.
Dude, that had your, that, even before that part, that,
I love
like,
that road. Just a little short little.
yeah,
get on it.
I grabbed onto the ocean handles way before that corner. Holy crap, that was some grip. That was some grip.
Not a squeal, not a nothing.
And no squeal at all.
All right.
You gotta love that, man.
Love this car.
From the 90s, guys. From the 90s. Something like this existed. How crazy is that? Computers weren't.
Stop.
Yeah, computers weren't even what they are now. Computers were. 90s computers were word processors. That's it, word processors. This has a computer system that. The Alteza system, right?
Atessa.
Alteza system.
Yeah.
That just holds, computes, and creates this grip. It's ridiculous. 90s JDM.
ETS Pro on the V-Spec. It's the same all-wheel drive system as the R34. So if you watch right here, like on the
Oh.
yeah, how much it transfers the weight. Yeah.
It's rear bias, but then when it starts feeling the
Right.
pull, it transfers.
Yeah.
Nah.
Is that good for you?
Shit, yeah.
I think that last video will be good.
Yeah, the last clip, the last run.
You might not want to show that Civic.
I'll show our reaction to it. We're like, whoa. Well, guys, what you think? Another banger of a video. From hearing in real life, I know the sounds are awesome. Their editing should be great. I'm gleaming, man. I'm gleaming. It's such an awesome car. Awesome JDM car. Thank you, Brent,
You're
for
welcome.
taking us for a ride. Don't forget, hit a like, guys. Hit a sub. Come on. A lot of you guys are new to the channel. You guys are enjoying these mic'd up sessions. With the love and the subs, it's just making me talk to more guys and trying to get more for you all. So let's go ahead. Hit that love. Hit that sub. Hit that like. And once again, thanks.